I cannot begin to tell you the frustration that this installation here in Boise is causing. I have spent the last going on 4 days. Today, this morning, is the 4th official day that I have been sitting in Boise, Idaho, waiting to do this one car. Just this one, Plymouth Prowler. That's it. It was originally scheduled, I was going to be in Boise for a total of about 16 hours. My flight came in, my flight left, giving me a total of 16 hours in Boise, Idaho, then on to Minnesota. American Airlines decided to send my bag of tools and my personal clothing to Reno, Nevada, which is insane, considering I was not there and didn't need to go there. No excuse for that. But what was really frustrating is that it took them 3 days to get my tools and my bag to me. 3 days to put 2 bags on a plane and fly them into Boise. And to top that off, it was told to me almost every single day that I've been waiting for now the 4th day that the bags were going to be on this flight, this flight, this flight, this flight, this flight. How many flights are you going to tell me that my bags are not going to be on? It's just insane. So now this has pushed back my whole week and a half of installs by 2 days, by 3 days. Like I'm getting ready right now to go to this installation. I got to swing by Home Depot, got to grab a couple different things, but I'm getting ready to head over to the customer's house right now. It's a Plymouth Prowler, so it's not like a long process, but it's still, it's not a 5-minute thing, but I've had to reschedule now 6 other installations that I was supposed to have done. Today is now Monday. I was supposed to be landing in Chicago on Monday, which is today, and that was after going to Minneapolis and Colorado Springs and Boise. And I'm just now starting my Boise installation, so now I won't be in Chicago till Wednesday, and I got 2 C8s in Chicago. But I start training our new guy, Brandon, today, or was originally supposed to be starting his new training today, but had to push his flight back too to meet me in Chicago. So instead of flying out of Minneapolis, where he's from, today, he has to now also meet me in Chicago on Wednesday. So it's like a clusterfuck of problems with this. I've never, in the years of flying with American Airlines, I have never had this much issues or this many issues with this airline. They've been pretty much great for the longest time, and I just don't understand what the problem is. So, but anyways, let's go ahead and get this day started and head to Home Depot and then stop by the customer's house. All right, I am here at the customer's house. I'm gonna give him a call real quick and have him open the door for me, and let's get started. Find his number here real quick. Mr. Lindley, I am in the back, right behind your garage. Alrighty, sounds good. I'll see you in a minute. Bye-bye. Alright, so he's coming down. He's gonna open the garage for us.
So, what do you think?
I think I'm ready. Good morning.
Good morning. Just like a wet dream.
I know, it's finally happening. It's finally happening. So I've been in Boise for, well, this is the day number 4. This morning marks day 4 because American Airlines decided to ship my luggage and my tools to Reno, Nevada instead of Boise, Idaho. Yeah. So Mr. Lindley has been patiently waiting for 3 days, as well as I, for me to be able to do this. So the day has come. I got my stuff, and we're gonna go ahead and get started on this installation. Alright, so one side's done. I'm gonna go ahead and get started on the other side and catch my flight in an hour and 45 minutes from now. We are done. We pulled the car out here, as you can see. It is completely done and I like it. What do you think, Al?
Yeah, I love it. It's everything I expected and highly recommend to anybody. Yeah.
What made you want to do this to your Prowler?
Well, getting older, my wife and I, and we can get in, but needed to get help getting out. And then now we can step out. It's just aid for an old guy.
Yeah. Have you already noticed any difference?
Yeah, just a couple times getting out and everything. It's everything I thought it would be.
So why Eikon? What made you come to us?
Recommendation from my buddy Walter.
With the yellow Prowler. Right?
Yellow Prowler
Yeah.
in
Wickenburg,
yeah. Arizona.
Well, thank you, sir, for that recommendation.
Yep. So it's yeah, he had it done, and I was down there in December, and he told me about it, and I came home and ordered. And I can see it being just like it's sitting here. It attracts enough attention.
Oh, yeah.
With the burnt orange.
Yeah,
and
it's a beautiful,
with
beautiful color.
With the doors up like this, there's going to be more looky-loos.
Yes, it is for sure.
Yeah.
Well, it was my pleasure, sir.
My pleasure.
Thank you so much.
Sorry it was such a... You got such a good vacation in Boise.
Yeah, I got to know the inside of a hotel for 4 days.
Yep, yep.
Just 3.5 days longer than I was supposed to be here for.
Yeah, there you go. All right.